Hello, hi, good morning, friends. My name is Sonal. I'm studying in Area. I'm telling about English alphabet. A for apple, Cebu. B for ball, Chendu. C for cat, Bekku. D for dog, D for dog, Nai. E for elephant, Ani. F for fish, Minu. G for grapes, Drakshi. H for horse, Kudure. I for ice cream, ice cream. J for jug, ನೀರಿನ ಪಾತ್ರೆ. K for kite, ಗಾಳಿಪಟ. L for lion, ಸಿಂಹ. M for mango, ಮಾವು. N for nest, ಗೂಡು. O for owl, ಗೂಬೆ. P for parrot, ಗಿಳಿ. Q for queen, ರಾಣಿ. R for rabbit, ಮೊಲ. S for sheep, ಹಡಗು. T for tiger, ಹುಲಿ. U for umbrella, ಛತ್ರಿ. V for van, motor. W for watch, ಕೈ ಗಡಿಯಾರ. X for Xmas tree, Xmas ಗಿಡ. Y for rat, ಚಬರಿ ಮೃಗ. Z for zebra, ಪಟ್ಟೆ ಕುದರಿ. Thanks for watching video.